How to change your username on Twitter. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can change your username on Twitter. So just make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to change your username on Twitter, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all launch a Twitter application here. Once you launch a Twitter app, you're gonna see this type of interface where you just have to tap the profile icon from the top left, scroll down, go to settings and support, and then go to settings and privacy. To change the username, tap the your account option here, and then the final step you have to do is just tap the account information button that you can see from the very top. Once you select the option called account information, over here you'll be able to see all this, and at the very top you'll be able to see your username. You just want to make sure to enter the username that you'd like to use. Tap the next option and the done button, and your username will be successfully changed. This way you can change your username on Twitter. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.